All right, so we want to do number 24 and 11 point two?
Yes.
Oops, 24. I can write. And it says we should try to invert f of x is 1 over x, right?
Yes.
You guys cool with that? Okay, so if we thought about a function blob, right? We'd think,
That's not 24, that's 26.
Yeah, 24 is.
oh!
The cube
You can do 26 too. I'm having.
Okay, let's do
a little
26
trouble
first, then we'll
with
do 24.
Yeah. Since I'm paranoid.
Good call. Okay, so if we thought about this as a function blob, I would think this does, see, if I'm going to put 1 over x, what does that do to a number? Okay, 0 is not allowed in here, right? So I'm looking at over here, r's except 0, right? Real numbers except 0. And what's the kind of method that I flip things over with?
You multiply to the exponent of negative 1.
Okay, so we could think about this as stuff to the negative 1 power, right? Okay, so if we start with an x over here, we'll get 1 over x over there. All right, how do I undo the power of to the negative 1? And put it to the negative 1 again, right? You guys see that? This one's weird. You guys see that? So what did I write? What should I be writing down for my inverse? F inverse of x is
F of x.
yeah, is f of x is 1 over x, right? You see that? This is a function that undoes itself. If I flip something over, right? To flip it back over, you flip it over again. You guys see that? So one way I could check this is I could take my original function and plug in 1 over x for x. So I'm asking really, is 1 over x equal to x?
Well, x is 1 over x.
Don't do that. Just this way, right? I took 1 over x and I plugged 1 over x in for x. Okay, this was really me looking at, if I take a blob, right? I do stuff to the minus 1 to it, I get somewhere. I'm wondering if stuff to the minus 1 is going to get me back.
1 over x is still just 1 over x.
Uh-uh. The parentheses matter.
Oh,
Because I'm not doing 1 over 1 divided by x, I'm doing 1 divided by 1 over x. So if I was going to calculate this, right, I would think this is 1 over 1 on the top and 1 over x on the bottom. So this should be
1 times x.
1 over 1 all over 1 over x, right? And then I would flip this over and multiply. So it is indeed x.
Makes sense.
Cool? So these two things undo each other. Good?